guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Dani, and today we're going over how to open a bottle of wine like a sommelier. Now, I'm not going over all the crazy steps that we have to learn when we are serving wine at a restaurant, but really I'm just showing you how sommeliers are taught how to open bottles of wine correctly. So in our opinion, this is the right way to open a bottle of wine. All you need to open a bottle of wine is a very simple tool called a wine key, also known as a corkscrew or a waiter's friend. You don't need any of those crazy contraptions that they'll sell you at stores that are like $40, or the ones with the crazy wings, or any of these automatic openers, just not necessary. And wine keys usually come in either single hinge or double hinge. I think the double hinged ones are really good for beginners. They provide a little bit more leverage, but you see both out there and they're both perfectly usable. Okay, let's get on to opening the bottle. Step one, grab your bottle of wine. Today I'm opening up the Stag's Leap Chardonnay 2016 vintage, because if you've seen my videos before, you know I love good Chardonnay, and Stag's Leap definitely makes a great one. So the first thing we're going to do is take out the knife on our wine key, and we're going to make a slit on the foil on that second lip. I don't know why everybody thinks that you're supposed to cut on the first lip. That's a bad idea because there's no leverage. If you cut on that second lip, you're going to get plenty of leverage, and it's going to make a really nice, clean cut. And you can go around as many times as you need. And then either in the front or the back of the bottle, you're going to lift up with your wine key on the foil. So I do it in the back, so let me show you here. And it should come off in one clean swipe. Then you're gonna take out the little spirally thing called the worm, love that name, and then you're gonna stick it right down the middle of the cork, and you're gonna start kind of screwing it in that way, right down the middle. Now, I always had trouble with this when I was just getting started. I don't know why, but just try to, I don't know how to explain it any better, but you're going to take the worm and put it through the cork. You want to screw it down until it's about at this point, because any further, you're not going to have any leverage, and then any higher up, it's going to be too much. And then if you're a lefty like me, you're going to have to turn the bottle a little bit, and then you're going to put your thumb on that first hinge and put it right on top of the wine lip. And then you're going to use your other hand and pull the lever up, and the cork is going to start coming out. And then with your other hinge, the second hinge, you're going to put that on the lip, and you're going to take that out as well. As the cork is pretty much out, you're going to finish it with your hands. And the reason why we do that is so that you're not just like jerking the wine out or the cork out and getting wine everywhere or just having issues. And there you go, guys, an open bottle of wine. Remember, practice makes perfect, so if you didn't do so well this time, don't worry about it. Just keep practicing, you know? Keep opening more wines, and nobody's going to complain about that. And you will get better over time, I promise. So stop buying those crazy contraptions to open your wine. Just use this method, and you will be a pro at opening wine in no time. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and if you want to keep learning your drink, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!